So when you're sort of the person that makes things, you get a lot of people coming to you with ideas about what they think you should make. Sometimes people just come to you with things they want made. This was one of those occasions, and that's how I ended up making 25 Martin Place as a cat scratcher. A controversial building in its day, it now stands as a great example of modern architecture and sitting in Sydney's financial district. You may never have been to Martin Place, but if you've seen the 1999 film The Matrix, you have seen it.
Or were you looking at the woman in the red dress?
Now, the key feature of this building is an uneven octagon, which basically just means it's a square with the corners cut off. And so that's where I start getting the shape, defining that. It's about 200 millimeters wide, and so it needs to be proportionally that tall. So I quickly added another little fence and tack it in there. And so for the sides, I just used some 6mm MDF, and I checked to make sure it's the right width and cut out enough strips to cover the whole area. It's too long to cut on my fence, but I can just cut off the amount and get the right length. And then with glue and nails, I can begin assembling it. It's not going to be perfect because it is a cat scratcher, and I'm just going to wrap it in rope. I added a few reinforcement pieces. I don't think this was strictly necessary, but it gave me somewhere that I knew I could attach the rope with some nails, because when you're wrapping it along, it's really handy to be able to sort of keep it in place. And without too much work, you have the basic shape. One of the key features of this building are the 2 balcony levels, and so for that, to sort of allude to it, I added a darker wood that will contrast the rope, and then I can add 50 meters of rope along the outside. So with a combination of nails, polyurethane glue, it's just a tedious job. You sort of roll it around, add some more glue, tack it so it doesn't come unwound, and repeat. Any of the areas around a transition get a little extra glue, and the only way to sort of keep the rope in one piece is to sort of notch out a little spot and just keep the spiral going. So my initial estimates on the rope were slightly off, and I actually had to cut the top off this. And thankfully those extra reinforcements that I added gave me somewhere to nail the finished top on. Forgot to turn the camera on. And so once I fill the nail holes, I just apply a couple coats of some polyurethane that I have lying around. It's nothing fancy, but it does the job. Now the sister building for 25 Martin Place is the CTA building, which is a little bit more architecturally complicated, so I did that with 3D printing. The best way to attach cat scratchers is with a threaded stud and a T-nut on the back of what you're screwing it into. So I've attached that to my 3D print, and I've put one on the main building. Well, my cat didn't like it, but thankfully this is a gift for someone whose cat does like them.